BioPACIFIC, our research emphasis is on making synthetic materials inspired by nature with unique properties. To accelerate the discovery of these materials, we need to provide scientists with a tool that can reveal the internal structure of the materials in a high-throughput fashion. This means that measuring many samples in a short amount of time. The BioPACIFIC X-ray facility is built to provide this critical high-throughput structural characterization capability.
Understanding the structure of a polymer is crucial from a materials perspective because its structure directly influences its properties and performance. Small-angle X-ray scattering, or SAXS, is a powerful tool used for structural determination of samples on the nanometer scale. By analyzing a sample scattering pattern, researchers can deduce information about the size, shape, and arrangement of mesoscale structures within the material. SAXS is a non-destructive technique that allows for various in situ measurements of bulk samples. It is particularly valuable for studying materials like polymers, colloids, proteins, and nanoparticles, where traditional microscopy techniques may be limited. Despite its power and wide applicability, SAXS has been hamstrung over the years due to two primary issues, both of which we have attempted to address here at the BioPACIFIC MIP. The first is flux. Because the probability of a scattering event to occur is extremely low, especially for biomaterials, multiple billions of photons need to irradiate a sample in order to generate a statistically relevant scattering pattern. As a result, most research projects require synchrotron-level radiation, as generating this level of brilliance is impossible in a general laboratory setting. The BioPACIFIC SAXS beamline, however, houses a revolutionary liquid metal jet source that is capable of generating fluxes comparable to a second-generation synchrotron. Now users are able to get synchrotron quality data without having to wait months for a beamline reservation. In comparison to a traditional lab-based SAXS system, local users are getting better quality data in less than 1/100th of the time. To put that into perspective, an experiment that would normally take the user 1 hour to complete is now being done in under 30 seconds. The development and maintenance of a high-throughput, research-focused SAXS machine requires a team of specialists with expertise in X-ray diffraction. This leads to the second hurdle we aim to remove within the BioPACIFIC MIP facility, which is the barrier of entry for new users. While sample prep for an XRD experiment is relatively straightforward, data conversion and data analysis is highly specialized and often daunting for new users. To alleviate this issue, we programmed a GUI that automatically reduces the generated 2D scattering patterns and displays them in real time. Now users can visualize and even begin characterizing their data as it is being run. New users are able to come in, be trained, and begin running samples independently in under 30 minutes.
What is unique about BioPACIFIC X-ray facility is the knowledge and expertise that we offer in addition to the high level of instrumentation performance. Our research team is engaged directly with our users in their projects, in many cases as collaborators. This level of engagement is enabling because it significantly lowers the barrier of entry to using SAXS and X-ray diffraction as a research tool. Because of the high level of difficulty in performing a SAXS measurement and in analyzing the data to extract relevant structural information, it presents a challenge to non-experts to utilizing this technique. By working as collaborators, the X-ray facility team helps them to clear this hurdle. Currently, we have more than 20 approved user projects that span a broad spectrum of research areas, all of which are related to the core BioPACIFIC mission of supporting bio-inspired materials innovation.
Lastly, while remote access is not possible, samples can be mailed to UCSB and run by our staff scientists. In summary, the BioPACIFIC MIP SAXS beamline offers synchrotron quality data without the hassle and delays generally accompanied with acquiring synchrotron reservation.
Our facility is open and free to all US-based researchers who can apply for access by submitting proposals.
Feel free to reach out to us anytime if you have any questions regarding our facility, and we hope to collaborate with you in the future.